Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so whenever I drop videos on YouTube, you can always watch them. So guys, today we'll be talking about how to boost your CpC in your Admob account. Okay, so today's video is going to be all about how to boost your CpC in your Admob account. Okay, so at the end of today's video, you learn how to boost your Admob account by yourself. Okay, because let me just say this, guys, let me just clear the air. There's nothing like $1 per click or $2 per click. Okay, anybody telling you that he's trying to lure you into Admob, there's nothing like that. Okay, if anybody tell you that something like $1 per click, first thing you ask the person is it the one paying you for the ads? And if you don't pay for the click, then definitely you should be able to tell you your clicks and how much you should be getting. But I don't think one person should just come up and tell you like create an app that you'll be getting $10 per click for you to $10. It doesn't work out that way. Okay, to get high clicks, it all depends on you, it's all on your hands. So without wasting much of our time, let's just go straight to an Admob account where I'll be showing you guys how to increase your Admob account. In this session. Sign in. So now once it brings you to your dashboard here, okay, first of all, once you reach the dashboard here, go straight to your mediation. So you see this is your mediation right here. Okay, so I guess if you are using a phone, it shouldn't appear like this. Your mediation is inside your app. If you're making it on a phone, you click on the app. Okay, once you click on the app, then your mediation will definitely come outside. You see your mediation there. So without wasting much of our time, once you get there, you go to your mediation. And once you get to your mediation, you click on create a mediation group. Okay, create a mediation group there. Now you select add format and platform. Okay, select the add format and platform you want this mediation group to target. Okay, so the ad format I'll be using is your ad formats can be your banner ads, can be interstitial ads. Okay, so I'll be making use of interstitial ads. So can I also advise you to be using interstitial ads, because interstitial ads is the ads that is being clicked on mostly. Okay, because it's the one that can attract users the most because it contains the full screen. Okay, so I'll advise you to go with interstitial ads. And your platform, if your app is an Android app, then you should click on Android. Or if it's an iOS app, just hit on the iOS button. Okay, then you click on continue. So now let's give your mediation group a name. Okay, so enter mediation group name. So I'll just for a second I'll use tech. Okay, as you can see, my ad format is interstitial, my platform is Android, and this one, and the next one is your location. You have to set your location. You have to set the location. Okay, so what this is talking about is set location to target all countries and territories, include countries and territories, exclude countries and territories. Okay, so what this is talking about is which countries do you want your ads to be coming out from? Okay, where do you want your ads to be coming out from? You know, these ads, each and every country has their own click, has their own price they pay. Okay, so that I said, I don't think anybody can just tell you you can get $10 per click. I'll get up for you like that, I'll you like that, because every country has their own amounts they pay for ads they run every day. Okay, for the fact that Dangote Cement is promoting its own ads with 1 billion naira per day does not mean that what will I call her name? On that cement company as well also be running ads worth 1 billion naira per day. They can be running ads worth $300 per day, but what is there is their clicks are of different prices, stars different. The one that's paying higher, his own click is different from one that's paying lower, because even their prices they pay to run the ads are different. Okay, so you should always know that. Okay, so now what I'll be doing here is I'll be clicking on include countries and territories, so that I can include the countries I want emphasize to coming out. Okay, where I want my ads to be coming out, because I want to target some specific country. So all of this I just click on include countries and territories, and or you can stream of using United States of America. Okay, so this country is PI and I'm using UK, United Kingdom. Okay, and Australia, yeah, Australia, and yeah, Canada. So these countries really pay high. So that's why I'm targeting them. Okay. If you are lucky, you can be getting ads from these four countries in your app. Then you should be making some cool cash for yourself because this country ad, any ads coming from this country, just know that it's a good app, it's a good ad. Okay, you're getting good pay from it. Okay. So once you've done that, let me just scroll down. If it's your status is paused, you don't forget you have to enable it. Okay, you have to make sure it's enabled because once you post it now, you already post your mediation, so it's not working with the app anymore. It's not working in your account anymore. So what you just do is you enable it back. Okay, so as you can see here, say add units. You haven't added any add units for the mediation group. Add one or more to get started. So I'll just add unit. Now click on the app you already created before. As you can see, the app not selected before is interstitial. Definitely going to be there. Then click on done. Okay, so once you click on done, as you can see down here, your mediation group has been saved. So once you click on done, what you just do is you scroll down. Then once you scroll down, then you click on save. Okay, once as you can see, change selection saved. So once you've done this now, you already changed, you already you already boost your CpC in your Admob account. Okay, because once you are getting ads from these countries, I'm telling you, you are good to go because you'll be earning some cool cash for yourself because these countries really pay high ads. Okay, so I believe you get one or two from here. And if there's anything you don't understand, just let me know through the comment below or you contact me. Okay, so as you can see, this is the invitation I just created here right now. So you are good to go right now. Okay. So don't forget, if you have any questions concerning Admob, okay, just let me know below in the comments below or you contact me direct on my number. Okay, I'll drop my number on the description, so you can always check them and you can check my channel description as well. If you get my number, then you can just hit me on WhatsApp. MoneyOnline 247. Alright, guys. See you on my next video. So my next video, I'll be dropping a video on how to create a standard app. Okay, how to create a standard app. Remember, my last video was how to create a website app. That's a website app. So the next one is going to be how to create a standard app. Alright, guys. Peace to you.